afternoon, everyone. I take pride in getting this opportunity to welcome you all on this investiture ceremony for the session 2021-2022. This is a special day for all of us as we appoint a new set of office bearers and entrust them with the responsibility of carrying forward the ethos of our school. It is an unforgettable day for all office bearers, a proud moment to stand as leaders before their fellow mates. I wish all the captains and prefects the very best as they embark on their new roles as leaders and promise to go extra mile to bring glory to the school. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanjukta Miss, for such encouraging words for our leaders. It is time now to bring before you the true essence and ethos of our school, beautifully presented in words in the school song. We have a budding singer from our school, Debadrita Paul, to present the same.
Children's Foundation is the finest school. It stands for trust, truth, and purity. Here are talents are trapped and character shaped. Here we learn to live in unity. Our school stands for discipline and sobriety, and we stand for obedience and duty. It's here that we learn to uphold the right from our teachers who makes our path so bright. To gain knowledge is our aim, we excel and bring name and fame. Our path may lead to east or west. From here we frame our future's best.
Thank you, Debadrita. I have the privilege to request Mrs. Rumela Roy, Principal, Children's Foundation School, to introduce the school captain for this current academic session.
Good afternoon, everyone. I take this opportunity to introduce Devjit De from Class 12, Humanities, as a captain of the school for the session 2021-22. I,
Devjit De,
being chosen as a captain of the school, promise to serve my fellow students and school sincerely. I will endeavor to be a perfect role model of discipline I will actively take part in school activities and endeavor to bring laurels and glory to the school. As the school captain, I will uphold loyalty to the traditions and ethos of the school and strive to take the school to great heights.
Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations, Devjit, on your new role as the school captain. You will need the support of your deputy, the school vice captain, to assist you. So I call upon Mrs. Manna to introduce the school vice captain of the session.
Good afternoon, everyone. I take the opportunity to introduce the vice captain of our school, Nandini Datta for the session 2021-22. I,
Nandini Datta,
being chosen as the vice captain of the school,
being chosen as the vice captain of the school,
solemnly swear
to
perform all my duties
to perform all my duties
to the best of my abilities
to the best of my abilities
and abide by the rules and regulations of the school.
the rules and regulations of the school.
I will uphold the motto of the school.
The motto of the school,
Enter to learn,
enter to learn,
depart to serve,
depart to serve,
and strive hard to bring greater glory to the school.
to bring greater glory to the school.
Thank you, Suparna Miss. Congratulations, Nandini. Now it is time to introduce the captains of the 4 houses. This year, we have the following students as captains heading their respective houses. Gopal Sharma Agni House, Mrinmay Noshkar Akash House, Radhesham Kamath Prithvi House, and Ekta Singh Vayu House. To help the captains take their oath, I call upon Mrs. Kajal Mukherjee.
I take the opportunity to introduce the captain of 4 houses for the session 2021 and 2022. I,
Gopal Sharma, being chosen as a captain of Agni House.
I, Ninmay Naskar, being chosen as the captain of Akash House.
I, Radhesham Kamath, being chosen as the captain of Prithvi House.
I, Ekta Singh, being chosen as the captain of Vayu House,
pledge to uphold the honor of my school. I will be responsible, respectful, and treat my fellow students with fairness. I will exercise my authority without favor or fear and strive to take my house to the pinnacle of achievement.
I agree.
I agree.
I agree.
I agree.
Thank you, Kajal Miss. Best of luck, captains. We now move on to induct the house prefects for this year. We have 2 prefects from each house and Mrs. Chabi Rani Sinha to help the prefects take their oath.
I take the privilege of introducing the prefects of 4 houses for the session 2021-2022. It stands like this. Prefects of Agni House are Maushami Nashkar, Meera Manikandan. Prefects of Akash House are Prakriti Ghosh, Nargis Sultana. Prefects of Prithvi House are Somi Vishwas, Rajat Thakur. Prefects of Vayu House are Sanchita Bose and Abdul Irfan. I,
Maushami Nashkar, being chosen as the prefect of Agni House.
I, Meera Manikandan, being chosen as the prefect of Agni House.
I, Prakriti Ghosh, being chosen as the prefect of Akash House.
I, Nargis Sultana, being chosen as the prefect of Akash House.
I, Somi Biswas, being chosen as the prefect of Prithvi House.
I, Rajat Thakur, being chosen as the prefect of Prithvi House.
I, Sanchita Bose, being chosen as the prefect of Vayu House.
promise to uphold the honor of the school at all times. I solemnly take this oath to do my best to instill among my fellow students the spirit of good behavior, discipline, and obedience to the seniors. I shall work hard to inspire them to maintain high ethical values in their pursuit of curricular and co-curricular activities while in school and beyond.
I promise to abide by the oath.
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 Abide by the oath.
Thank you, Chabi Miss, and good luck, prefects. Congratulations to all the students who have made it to the student council of our school for this academic session. We wish all of you the very best in all your endeavor. All of us would extend our full support whenever you need them. We are confident that as leaders, you would motivate all to achieve greater laurels for the school. We would conclude the investiture ceremony with the national anthem by Mrs. Shonali Sen.
मनय विनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्रविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल जमुना गंगा उत्कल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 जय
I take this opportunity to thank all of you for joining us in today's program. Have a good day.